Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. My name is Micha, I'm a designer and entrepreneur. Today is a very good day to talk about your self-investment. I'm here to help you to reach the next level. Maybe a lot of you wondering yourself how to grow your self-confidence. So let's get started. I don't want to share you the quality and the advantage of this industrial design product. Let me show you this industrial design product, this mouse. This key makes a difference. This key could improve your self-confidence. It can change your life. This can change everything. And I want to show you how. Abilities and skills, communication, connection, and cooperation is very required in all of the international company right now. Every single day, I just experience different strategy of self-investment. How to grow your confidence, how to become more consistent, how to become more creative, and how to become more productive. In this block, we are going to understand how you could improve your self-confidence by the different series of new videos to introduce a different interesting industrial design product. In our century, our society is very competitive. Ability to sell a new industrial design product for an industrial designer, for a marketing seller, an engineer, for a technical drawer is very important to get abilities and skills they need in their job. Every companies and design agency, international companies are very competitive. How it works. With these products, you can grow your confidence. Maybe you are a student and you need to get these abilities and skills of communication, of connection with people to introduce your project, your industrial design product you built at the university. Maybe you are an employee and you need these abilities and skills to develop yourself, to grow your career, and for this you need to learn a new skills, a new strategy of self-investment to grow your confidence. And maybe you have different meetings and interviews you have to pass. I understand it's not easy to consider how you could and you have this privilege to grow your confidence. If you are afraid, if you are shy or introvert people, this exercise help you grow your confidence. I understand you because for a long time I was an introvert people. Right now, what strategy of self-investment you can apply in your life to improve your self-investment? So about my experience, how I practice this every single day, and you know how the process is very important. It could take a long time, but you need it to grow your self-confidence. For this exercise, you don't need massive material or tools. You just need a camera you can use to film yourself, maybe a microphone or a mirror. The first exercise I did, try to speak in front of the camera or mirror. If you don't have a smartphone, every single day you just speak. This approach is very significant, powerful in the long term. As a beginner, it's very important to be patient. The best to grow your self-confidence, to work on yourself, your self-investment, your discipline, practice every single day. It's very important to focus your intention not on the result but on the system, on the process. This strategy of self-investment is based by the different interesting information books I include and I apply in my life. Every single day I use this strategy to grow my employability skills. If you are a beginner, if you are introvert people or shy people, I believe in you, I believe in your potential and DNA as the perfect people you are right now. And today you have this privilege, this opportunity to grow yourself, to learn some new interesting abilities and skills you need to develop yourself.